In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and delete users from organization roles. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Roles. Select the role to which you want to add or remove users from the list on the left-hand side. I'm going to choose Test Role. Now I can see this role's type, its name, all of the permissions that have been granted to people who are assigned under this role. And to the right, I can see users. Right now, there are no users assigned. So I'll click Add. And I will choose users to assign to this role. This is an enterprise level role, so I'm going to see users who are able to be assigned to the enterprise level. Maybe I want to choose more than one person. So maybe I'll choose Lynn and hold Shift and go all the way to Leah. Maybe I'll pick those first three. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add these users, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now all three of those users have been added. Let's say that one of these users has been assigned to a different role and I want to take them off of this one. I can choose the X next to that user. Maybe I'll do the middle one. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to remove this user. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now that user has been removed from this role. That's how you can add and delete users from roles in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete roles.